In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a drop shadow to an image in Wix, step by step. Whether you're looking to add a bit of depth or make your images pop off the page, utilizing drop shadows is an excellent way to enhance your website's design. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly add shadows to your images, making your site look more dynamic and engaging. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to identify the image you want to modify on your Wix site. Once you have that image in mind, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a series of editing tools, allowing you to make modifications to this particular image. Next, you should look for the design icon represented by a paintbrush. Clicking this will open up more design options, providing you with the ability to choose from a variety of visual enhancements. Within these options, you'll be able to select a preset frame that might already include a drop shadow, or you can choose to forge your own path by customizing your design further. If you're feeling adventurous or simply want more control over the details, click on Customize Design. This will take you to a panel offering more advanced options. In this panel, you'll find a section dedicated to shadow. Clicking on shadow will present you with the tools you need to start crafting the perfect shadow effect for your image. Now it's time to enable the shadow feature. Simply toggle the option on and you'll see the default shadow applied to your image. But we don't want to stop at the basics, do we? Here's where you can let your creativity flourish. You'll see several settings like color, blur, and distance that allow you to fine-tune the shadow to your liking. Adjust the color to ensure that the shadow contrasts well against your background or accompanies your overall color scheme. You can experiment with the blur setting to change the sharpness of the shadow, which can alter the perception of lighting and proximity. Playing with the distance setting will affect how far the shadow appears from the image, giving you the choice between a subtle or more pronounced effect. Remember, these adjustments can have a significant impact on how your image is perceived, so don't rush through them. Take your time to experiment with different combinations until you've achieved a look that complements your web design. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily apply a drop shadow to any image within Wix, giving your website an added layer of sophistication and visual interest. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out other videos for more Wix design tips and tricks. Happy designing!